another kind of a love song with words by Shikadriz, a poet from the former Soviet Union, who's very popular, very well known for his children's literature. And once again, I wrote the music. I will invent a wonderful shtetl, and my dream, my Etla, will settle there. With braided hair and all dressed up, she will play on the steps until I come knocking on her door, carrying a freckle, a cheinpintel, from my hunting bag. It will be worth half of Bessarabia and all of Bukovina, the nests in the forests, the coolness of the grass, the secret of my heart, and something else, too.
Tuk tuk auf der Tür.